What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how you can actually insert two videos in the same screen here on Capcut, so you can create one video at the end of the day which will be splitting two screens. Okay, so you want to insert two videos in the same video, whether it's for you to upload it to TikTok, to Instagram, or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. Now, I do recommend you guys using Capcut even if you want to edit videos further, because Capcut is a free app that allows you to edit and delivers you high quality, because you do have a lot of features in here which other applications do not offer. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials just like this one in today's video. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, first things first, of course, we need to hop into App Store, we need to search for Capcut, and then download and install it into your device in here. So once it's already installed, we're going to tap on new video, and then we're going to select the first video. So this will be my first video in here. I'm going to tap on add, and then next up, this is how your time roll will look like. Okay, so we've got this video in here. I'm going to tap on play. This is how it looks like. Now, the very first step in here is to actually down here tap on ratio. Okay, aspect ratio in here, and we want to select the exact ratio that we wish to create depending on the platform where we wish to upload this video. Ratio can also be known as Canva, for example, if you're using a different app than Capcut. Of course, we're focusing on Capcut in here, but in case you're using a different app, you can also find the option known as Canva. For example, if it's for TikTok, you're going to create on this little first TikTok resolution, so it creates a vertical video. Okay, so if it's for Instagram, for example, you can tap on one-on-one, and it's going to create a pretty much squared video. Okay, next up, if you want to upload it to YouTube, you can go with the third option in here. It's going to create you a horizontal video. In my case, I'll be going with TikTok as of now. So here we go. Once we're done selecting the ratio, we're going to go back into the video in here, and then we're going to resize our video. Okay, so using your fingers, you're going to resize it in order to fit it here within your screen. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like somehow. I'm going to bring it up in here, something like that. Now here at the bottom, I'm going to insert the second video, right? So what we're going to be doing next is tap on this little tick mark, and then I want to select this one, and I want to edit a bit more. I want to crop this video a bit. So I'm going to hop into crop in here. We're doing editings in here depending on your video size or resolution. You also will perform a few editings further. So I'm going to make it kind of a square or something like this. Okay, so I'm going to just crop all the way down to here, and this is how my video will look like, which will occupy the top part of the screen. Let me tap on tick. Here we go. My first video is already cropped in here and looks really good, right? So this is my Canva or my ratio, and half of my ratio is being occupied by the very first video. Let me just zoom it a bit more. It's occupying already half of the screen, right? There we go. I'm gonna tap on play, and we do have more space down here. Right now, next up, we're going to go back, and then we're going to tap on overlay right here. Let me just deselect this one, and then we do have an option here for overlay, and then add overlay to add a second video on top of that one. My second video, for example, in my case, is going to be this one right here, and then I'm going to tap on add real quick. There we go. We do have a second one which is actually on top of the first one. Right now, what we're going to do in here, we can bring it down here because we don't want it to be 100% on top. It's just a way of adding the video. So I would recommend you guys to first crop the second video by tapping here, and then next up, I'm going to crop it here to the most important part, which is this one right here. Okay, so I've already cropped it, and then I'm going to tap on the tick. We're simply going to merge it. I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to use my two fingers to simply zoom it a bit or increase its ratio, but within the frame itself. Here we go. We now do have two videos in here already running on the same screen. Let me tap on OK to play or on play to play. And this is how it looks. We do have this one here. We have this one here. Both of them are playing on the same screen. Now, next up, what you're going to do is tap on export, for example. And then we do have a few ads running in here because we're not paying for Capcut, okay? It's just a matter of a few seconds or minutes. Be patient and you'll be done, okay? So the very first ad is now running. Just wait for a couple seconds. Let's be be patient. Now, I do have a tip for you. For example, if you don't want to see any more ads, make sure you simply turn off your data. Okay, you can simply turn off your mobile data. Oops, it asks us to connect to the internet, so pretty much really requires now the new update for us to connect to the internet. No problem, simply tap on export. It really requires us to watch the entire ad. Let's just watch the ad till the end, and then we'll be able to export our video. Here we go, we're done watching the ad. I'm gonna tap here to fast forward, and then I'm gonna tap on next in here. Now there we go, the export process is now taking place in here. It's exporting in high quality, which is important for you to make it on 1080p. There we go, video has now been exported completely. You can directly share to TikTok or Instagram or anything else, or you can simply hop into your gallery to check that specific video. Okay, here we go, we do have a few settings in here that we can double check. My video has been exported, it's right here. As you can see, we do have it in one screen, two videos. There we go. But there's one thing that you need to double check in here. As you can see right now, both of the videos are on the same screen, but we do have two audios, one overlaying the other one, right? So this is complicated because if you do have two videos with two audios, you won't be able to hear a specific audio correctly. So what I would recommend you guys to do is to go back into Capcut real quick. For example, I'm gonna reopen Capcut, and then over here we're gonna go back to the editing of the video, right? Let me go back or simply tap on export. Let me just close and reopen the app. It has a lot of ads. There we go. Let me just quickly skip this very first app, continue to the app, and then let me reopen that specific project, right? It's this one right here. So what I would recommend you guys to do next is to select, for example, one of the videos and remove the audio, or at least low down, if you want to low down the volume and keep the other one sounding much louder than the other one, so it doesn't sound like it's a confusion or like noise. Okay, so for example, this one I'm gonna select in here, I'm gonna tap on volume, and then I'm gonna eliminate it 100%. Like I'm gonna bring it down to 0, I'm gonna tap on OK, and we're good to go. Now this second one is right here, we're gonna tap on volume, and I can manage this one as well. You can also simply remove all of the audios and then simply add a song here on top, just to make it much interesting and a video that you've been editing for social media purposes. This is how you can actually add two videos here on the same screen, and you can also do it side to side as well on a different ratio. For example, you can also put it here side to side if it's a different ratio, and this is how it's gonna be. This is how easy you can actually add two videos on the same screen here using Capcut app. I hope this video was helpful. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.